Alright guys, so you just heard a full test of this Whelen 3016 in Eagle, Wisconsin doing Wail, and a 450 Hz Whelen doing Wail, that is. So anyways, the reason why I wanted to show you this video is because apparently, if you guys didn't know, this siren used to be an ATI HBS S16R.
Right over here.
Well, yeah, I know. But first I'm going to show you what's currently on the pole. And this wheel was definitely pretty loud when it went off. But anyways, over here, I'm going to back off a little. I'm going to back up a little bit so you guys can see the head well. But there's the 3016 head. There's some radio antenna. And down there is, I believe that's some radio box too, but I'm not sure. And down here, of course, at the bottom, you got the control and battery box. It seems to be maintained by Sheboygan Warning Systems, because that guy over there, Tom, aka FS Thunderbolt 1000, was the one that installed the Whelen. So kudos to him for somehow convincing the town to get an older siren rather than a newer one. Because in my opinion, and as you guys probably know, ATIs are not the best sirens that were made or are ever made. But it seems to be maintained by Sheboygan Warning Systems. So there's a number if you want to call them. There's some warning message you want to pause to read that. So here's a control and battery box. It looks like they used a used control and battery box since the Whelen logo is kind of faded. And of course, there's a metal pipe that goes up. Well, actually, there's a breaker switch right there. It happens to be a square D breaker switch. And I believe it's some radio box because there happens to be some pipe that leads all the way up to there. So yeah, so that is the current siren that is on the pole. And now I'm going to show you the ATI, which happens to be on the ground, literally just laying there.
Sorry, I just want to pick this thing up.
I know. I wish I could do it too. Oh yeah.
It's covered in snow. Maybe summer or spring.
Steven, do you want to get a... This looks
yeah, we could do that.
How would you look at that? There's bird poop on it.
Oh yeah, there's Sam, by the way, aka Siren Junkie 2.
Well, this thing was installed in like 2007, I think. When was this installed? 2007?
Yeah, about 2007.
Do you know what was here before this thing? Do you know what was here before the ATI?
So apparently, this is a 2007 installation.
Oh.
As you can see, you got the cutoff pole
So there was another wire.
with this green wire leading.
The rotator wire.
Oh, that's a rotator wire.
Probably
Oh, this.
maybe like electronic or something.
Yeah.
Maybe. They said it was mechanical.
And that's the reason.
Oh,
and
it was
here's
mechanical?
here's this stupid cord that hangs
It was
out,
probably something omnidirectional.
which is the reason why ATIs don't rotate a full 360.
Yeah, let's after one of these, you can slap them on.
Oh, it's got the ID tag under here.
Oh, where? Oh yeah, look at that.
You just handed me one.
It's
I already have a couple of stickers back at
doesn't not really much on there, but yeah, if you want to take a look at that, pause the video now.
Just
Let me
slap
guess,
it
you
right
got
over the
your
wrecking
SWS
stall.
sticker idea from Brick.
Anyways, not sure what this thing is for, but
That's a part of the rotator.
oh yeah, oh
Just like
yeah,
the
it's
wheels have like that.
okay, so that apparently is a rotator component, and then right here is the actual head itself, and
Covered in, this is steel and metal, and that's fiberglass.
okay, so it was made out of steel and fiberglass, and as you can see, it is literally covered in snow. Let's go get a feel of it. Feels kind of nice.
Yeah, let's see.
It's kind of made the same material. This is a little, yeah, it's fiberglass. Doesn't really echo when I hit it. This part does though. But here's like the little structural beams on the side. And here are the speakers for where the sound comes out of.
The drivers.
Well, drivers,
Right
but
here.
these are
Those are projectors.
I'm sorry, projectors. My bad. But yeah, the drivers are in that steel part right there. And then here, you probably can't see it much still, but here's the front. Also feels hard and doesn't echo that much. So yeah. Let's see if I can try to lift this thing. I don't know if I can, but let's see what I got. Not really strong, but nope. It's definitely a lot heavier than I am. But yeah. So for a time being,
The ATI was probably
this ATI is probably gonna sit on here in the ground for a while. And who knows if another snowstorm is gonna come and cover it up some more. But yeah. You guys ever wanted to see what an ATI looks like up close? Well, there you go.
This thing is huge.
Yeah, I tried to lift myself, but I couldn't.
Maybe spring when all this melted.
Yeah. yeah, I should definitely come back here in the spring.
This thing is useless though. I mean, this thing is on the ground. We should see if Tom can come out and we can open this up. Because he's got the screwdrivers.
Yeah, I don't know why Eagle just wants it to sit there.
Because I think what they were wanting to do is they were wanting to, if you heard them, I think they wanted them to buy it off of them, but they said they weren't paying anything for it since it didn't work.
Oh.
Then they're like, all right, we're going to get out of here.
All right, well.
This conduit.
Yeah, it's a little loose.
This one, oh.
Ooh. That's part of the rotator wire.
Yeah, this is why that they don't have collector rings. I hate this.
I think the reason why is because, and this applies to Whelens too, collector rings prevent electronic sirens from having voice capabilities.
That's interesting.
I mean, at least that's what I found when I was looking through comments and some video.
Well, I mean, 612s can do voice, right?
Yeah, they can too.
Even though they have collector rings.
Yeah. If you guys know the reason why they didn't install collector rings in vortexes and 4004s or even ATIs, just let me know in the comment section. Well, specifically rotating ATIs like 1600R, 3200Rs.
And it's really weird because kind of a similar looking one, the RE1600, also doesn't have collector rings but can do voice. So,
Yeah.
I mean, does have collector rings. I'm guessing this
weird.
right here is Eagle.
Probably. I wouldn't see any other reason why they need to put a ring to me there. But yeah.
Have you ever visited this thing when it was actually working? Like, when it's still
I
up?
tried to film it one time. Oh yeah, in case you guys didn't know, and I'm probably not going to upload the video of it, but me and Dominic tried to film this back in August of 2020.
Was it August or was it after?
No, it was August. And unfortunately, the ATI failed to go off because, you know, that's typical ATI quality.
Yeah.
And also, Waukesha County seemed to have trouble activating their other sirens as well. I'm glad this one activated, even though it was like 5 minutes late.
Also, Darian's doing better now. The blower is not doing that really weird thing when it starts. Somebody recorded it for the last First Tuesday.
Oh.
One of this.
You mean that Darien bolt?
Yeah, we gotta get out.
Yeah, Darian.
Alright, yeah, we should do that. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the full test of that 3016 as well as inspected the Whelen and the ATI on the ground. So that's gonna be it.
settings.
I don't think there was anything else.
Did you just want to book it back?
Yeah.
All right.